So welcome to the Bono Regional Contest. A very big good afternoon to you all. And this is the Bono Regional Contest Day 2, Contest 2. And before we begin, we want to acknowledge our key stakeholders. And we want to probably let you know that the quiz is organized by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology and supported by the College of Science and College of Engineering. We appreciate and acknowledge all our sponsors for coming on board and supporting us in diverse ways. We are truly and deeply grateful to you all. Again, we want to acknowledge our sponsors. We have some key sponsors who, by their help, has made this possible. We'll start with the KNUST e-learning, and they are in charge of our media and coverages, video coverages. Then Institute of Distance Learning, again KNUST, also giving us the places for the quizzes, for this quiz. Desk Technology as well. Most of the things, the practical things we are doing is being sponsored by Desk Technology. Then we appreciate Great Co, MTN stakeholders, and Nestor Ghana. Our key media partner, that's Jsmq TV, we also want to appreciate them for coming on board and supporting us as well. Before we begin, we want to just take this opportunity to thank the heads of various institutions who have dedicated their teachers, the time they spent in preparing the contestant. So we acknowledge the heads, we acknowledge the teachers for their time and all that. And again, the students as well. Sitting up here is not easy. So you also done well for sitting, the revision, the extra studies you have to even put in to have this quiz possible. You also done a good job, a yeoman's job, and we appreciate you. Contestants also, we appreciate you for coming and supporting your individual schools. Please, we are here to cheer them up, and we want you to give them a big hand of applause right now. Just give it to them, a big hand of applause. Yeah, so my name is Dr. Gabriel Obed-Fosu, and my name is Dr. Gabriel Obed-Fosu from the Department of Mathematics, KNUST. I do mathematics, and I'll be your quiz master for this contest. But before we start, remember that the Junior Science and Maths quiz is tailor-made for learners at the junior high school level. We have the Jsmq Presby, and we have the Brekum Methodist B Basic School. And these are the people we have for, these are the schools that are competing this afternoon. But before I start, I want you to mention your names. Though it's in front of you, I want to mention your names. I'll start. And maybe your level, the level you are, the basic, the level you are. I will start with Sacred Hearts. Yes.
My name is Solano Sudapo.
Okay.
A basic 9 student of Sacred Heart Jesus.
Fantastic. And?
My name is Ukukura Nebatran, a basic 9 student of Sacred Heart Jesus.
Okay, so let's give them a hand of applause. Let's move to Jsmq Presby.
My name is Danso Blessing, I am in basic 8.
Okay, and?
I'm a smart Felix, basic 9 student.
Good. Let's give it to them a hand of applause. Finally, let me have Brekum Methodist.
Also, Josephine. A basic 9 student.
And
I'm Henry Felix. I'm Henry Felix
okay.
from Methodist B, Basic 9.
Okay, so let's give it to them a hand of applause. My fellow brothers and sisters contestants, please do not put your microphones off. Just let the microphones be on until the end of the contest. Don't put the microphones off. Most of the things we'll be doing are buzzer dependent. There's a buzzer, there are buzzers in front of you, and before we start, we want to know whether they are working. So the Sacred Heart, let me hear your buzzer. Sacred Heart. Press. Yeah, press. Press. Okay, press again boldly. Press again boldly. Good. Press again. Press boldly. Press again. Good. Fantastic. Let me move to Japa Chrome. Fantastic. Brekum Methodist. Let me hear your buzzer. Press again. Good. That's fantastic. So we're going to have 4 rounds in this contest, and each of the rounds I'll be reading the instructions, so you do not have to worry about what we'll be doing in a round. But when we get to the round, I will read the instructions for you to know what will be going on in that particular round. We'll start with round 1 through to round 4. Round 1 is what we call the fundamentals, and that's where we are starting now. That's what we call the fundamentals. The fundamentals consist of questions from biology, physics, chemistry, mathematics. The other true or false questions also that will be coming in that round. If you have your main question to you, if I pose your main question to you, if you get it correct, it is 3 points. You are not penalized for answering wrongly. At least say something. Are you okay? Say something. For your main question, you are not penalized. You have 2 attempts. 2 attempts for that. And so if the question requires calculation, then you have 40 seconds. 2 attempts within that 40 seconds. But if the question do not require any calculation, then you have 15 seconds. Don't just sit like that. At least listen to the question, think through, and make sure you are providing the right answer within the 15 seconds for non-calculation questions and 40 seconds for questions that do require calculation. But if it's a bonus, then you may have to press your buzzer. If it's a bonus, then press the buzzers first. If your main question, don't press the buzzer. If a bonus, press the buzzer only after the time has elapsed. Don't press the buzzer within the stipulated time period. For a bonus, you just have 1 attempt, and the score is 1 point. Main question is 3 points. Yeah, so kindly take notes of that. If you don't press the buzzer and you answer a question, that is if a bonus question, you don't have any score for that. So kindly take notes of that. So before I start, I want to have a smile from you all. Reduce the tension. Don't be tensed up. It's just a friendly contest. So just smile. Let's smile. Let's have a smile from you. Then we start. So best wishes to you all. So round 1, first set of questions, and preamble to all schools. Preamble to, so if it's a preamble to all schools, then you have to take note. The questions will follow aside. So preamble to all schools. State the parts of the body where these bones are located. So state, I'll repeat again, state the parts of the body. You are to state the part of the body where these bones are located. I give you a bone and you state the part of the body where the bone is located. So I will start from Sacred Heart. Sacred Heart. So I have femur.
The leg.
No, come again.
The hand.
No, please. As a bonus, Japachrome.
The waist.
Japachrome, you said?
The waist.
No, that is incorrect. That is the thigh. Japachrome, your main question. Clavicle.
Say the question again.
Please, I will not repeat any question, so you listen attentively. As a bonus, Brekum Methodist.
The knees.
No, that is incorrect. That is the collarbone. Brekum Methodist. Patella.
The wrist.
No, that's not correct. Come again. As a bonus, that is the kneecap. Next set of questions, preamble to all schools. A student drops a small piece of potassium into a beaker of water. The piece moves rapidly on the surface, producing gas bubbles. If a glowing splint is brought near the mouth of the beaker, it bursts into flames. I'm reading again. A student drops a small piece of potassium into a beaker of water. The piece moves rapidly on the surface, producing gas bubbles. If a glowing splint is brought near the mouth of the beaker, it bursts into flames. That's a very long preamble. Japachrome Presby. Please, did you get the preamble? Did you get the preamble? That's not a question, so if you don't get it, I'll read it again. I can repeat the preamble. Should I read again? Okay.
Yes,
I'm reading again. A student drops a small piece of potassium, into a beaker of water. The piece moves rapidly on the surface, producing gas bubbles. If a glowing splint is brought near the mouth of the beaker, it bursts into flames. Now, Japachrome, identify the gas produced.
hydrogen gas.
Come again.
Hydrogen gas.
That is correct. Brekum Methodist. Write the balanced chemical equation for the reaction. Available as a bonus, Sacred Heart.
K plus H2O maps onto KOH2.
Oh no. It's 2K. 2K plus 2H2O. Not K. 2K giving us 2KOH plus H2. Sacred Heart, your main question. Name another metal that reacts less vigorously than potassium with water.
Zinc.
That is not correct.
Gold.
That is also not correct. As a bonus, Japachrome.
Calcium.
That is correct for a bonus. So 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Breakup method is a user wants to move the cursor to the beginning of a line without typing. Which key or key combination will achieve this? So we'll go for a short commercial break and we'll be back. Okay. So breakup method is, I said a user wants to move the cursor to the beginning of a line while typing. Which key or key combination will achieve this?
Control plus
Control plus
X.
Okay, no, that is not correct. As a bonus, Japachrome.
Control plus C.
No, that is also not correct. That is the home key. Sacred Heart. During a presentation, a teacher presses a key to maximize the window of the document instantly. Which key or key combination allows that?
Maximize button.
That is not correct.
Control plus W.
That is also not correct. As a bonus, yes, Preku method is.
Minimize key.
No. That is Windows key plus up arrow. Windows key plus up arrow. Japa Chrome. While typing, a user presses a key and notice that letters are typed as numbers on the right side of the keyboard. Which key did they accidentally activate? As a bonus.
Control plus.
Your time is up. As a bonus. That is the norms lock, the normal lock. If you accidentally activate, that is what happened.
Normal lock.
Preamble to all schools. A car starts from rest and accelerates uniformly for 20 seconds to attain a speed of 25 meters per second. It maintains this speed for 30 seconds before decelerating uniformly to rest. The time for the journey is 60 seconds. I read again. A car starts from rest and accelerates uniformly for 20 seconds to attain a speed of 25 meters per second. It maintains this speed for 30 seconds before decelerating uniformly to rest. The time for the journey is 60 seconds. Sacred Heart. Sacred Heart. Find acceleration during first phase.
(0.66 meter per second square).
Please no.
(1 out of 12 meter per second square).
That is not correct. As a bonus, yes, Japachrome.
1.2 meters per second.
1.2
meters per second.
Oh no, that is 1.25. Japachrome. The distance during acceleration phase. As a bonus, Brekum method is
1.5 meter per second.
no distance. That is 250 meters. Brekum method is your main question. Distance during constant speed phase.
$4.2 meters. $4.2 meters.
150 meters.
Okay, so we are back. So for that last question, the answer is 750 meters. 750 meters. Next of question, 40 seconds. Preamble to all schools. A card is drawn from a standard deck of 52 cards. Find the probability that it is. A card is drawn from a standard deck of 52 cards. Find the probability that it is. Are you okay with the preamble? Brekum, are you okay with the preamble or I should go again? Are you okay? Brekum
Right.
Methodist. Okay, good. So now to Japakrom. Japakrom. Find the probability that it is a heart. Available as a bonus. Okay, that is 1/4. Find the breaking Methodist. Breaking Methodist. Breaking Methodist. Find the probability that it is a face card.
Three over 4.
That is not correct.
2/4.
That is also not correct. As a bonus, Japekro.
2/8.
That is not correct. That is 3/13. Sacred Heart. Sacred Heart. Find the probability that it is a red card.
One out of 4.
That is not correct.
1 out of 30.
That is not correct again. Japekrom.
13/4.
Oh no, that's not correct. Please, a deck is spark, card, spark. They are just black and red. And they are 52. So how many of them are red? If they are 52, how many of them are red? It's just card, spark. It's red and black. How many of them are red? If they are 52, how many of them are red? What?
20.
As someone, Felix. How many of them are red? So what is 26 over 50? So what is 26 over 52? 1/2. That's half. The following questions are statements and you are to state whether they are true or false. The question cannot be passed on as bonuses. Kindly take note. Breaking Methodists. Breaking Methodists. During a chemical reaction, a new substance with different properties are formed. True or false?
True.
That is correct. Yes, a hand of applause. Sacred Heart. Formation of gas is always a sign of a chemical reaction. True or false?
False.
That is correct. Japechrome. Precipitation of a solid from two solutions is an indication of a chemical reaction. True or false?
False.
That is not correct. It's a true statement. Sacred Heart. Voltage is always called electric potential difference. True or false?
True.
That is correct. Japechrome. An insulator allows electric current to flow freely. True or false?
False.
That is correct. Brekum Methodist. A LED emits light when current passes through it in the correct direction. True or false?
True.
That is a true statement. That is correct. So that is the end of round 1. And we want to let you know that the 2025 quiz, Junior Science and Maths quiz, is brought to you by the key organizers at the KNUST, together with the College of Science from KNUST and the College of Engineering as well. Main sponsors include the KNUST e-learning center, the KNUST Distance Institute of Distance Learning, and